Hello, and thank you for taking an OECTA Additional Qualifications course. We would like to take a moment to introduce you to our virtual learning environment, Desire to Learn. Did you know that all teachers across Ontario have access to Desire to Learn for free for use in their classrooms? You'll find that after spending as little as 2 hours in the environment, you'll be comfortable enough to try it with your own class. If you're interested in learning more, contact your school board's Technology-Enabled Learning Teacher, or TELT for short, and set up some learning opportunities. After you've logged into OECTA's virtual learning environment, take a look across the top of your window and you will notice a menu. Starting from the left, you will see a home icon, followed by OECTA's logo. Both of these are linked to the page you see now. When you are on this page, you are in fact standing in the lobby of OECTA's virtual learning environment. Scan your eyes to the right, and you will see a 3x3 grid which, when clicked, will reveal your courses. Just to the right of the grid, you will see your notification center, which contains email, messaging, and notification reminders. To the right of the notification center, you will see your profile. Feel free to personalize your profile. It all remains internal to OECTA's virtual learning environment. Below the top menu, you will find the news. Be sure to check this regularly before you enter your course. To the right of the news, you will find a section for your courses. This is another way to access your courses, and just below that, you have a section for the calendar where you can keep important dates. Did you know that if you hold the Control button down while clicking the plus sign on the top right of your keyboard, you can zoom in? If the text is too small, hitting Control plus is a great way to zoom in, and Control minus will zoom you back out. If you're using a Mac, use Command plus to zoom in and Command minus to zoom out. You may notice that our courses adapt to large screens and small screens alike. You never need to worry about straining your eyes. Click on your course to enter. Once you've entered your course, you will notice a new text-based menu below the top menu. Starting from left to right, you will see Course Home, Content, Dropbox, Discussions, Chat, Surveys, Class List, and Checklist. Each one of these menu items will be useful as you take the course. We will take a moment here to discuss a few of the more important menu items. Course Home. When clicked, Course Home will bring you to the front of your course classroom, so to speak. Here, you will see the news section that pertains to your course. You will also see the My Courses section to the right and the calendar section just below My Courses. Content. When clicked, Content reveals all of the course materials, including readings, resources, videos, and activities for you as the participant. You will notice that there is a table of contents down the left of your window, while the content itself is housed in the center of the window. To begin, click on the first available topic. OECTA's online courses are designed to be easy to navigate. All reading materials live on the same page for each topic. Every topic usually has 3 sections: Read and Review, Relate and Reflect, Respond. The Read and Review section contains all readings necessary to reflect on your practice, understand policies and guidelines, examine research, or discover new resources. The Relate and Reflect section asks you, as the participant, To pause a moment to think about how what you may have encountered in the previous section could change or validate your current practice. Teachers are lifelong learners, and as such, we are constantly called to reflect on how we can improve. The Respond section will have a requirement of discussion participation or artifact submission. Each section contains links that will open new windows. If you manage your tabs, you will see that the topic page you are on never closes. Dropbox. The Dropbox is where you submit artifacts. These are linked in the Respond section of each topic, but can be accessed through the Dropbox link as well for ease. Discussions. The discussion area is where you participate in online discussions. OECTA's standard for discussion posts is quite straightforward. Post an initial comment that is thoughtful, and then comment on a colleague's comment in a constructive and meaningful way. Remember that these posts represent the profession, and the standards of our profession are high. Class list. Depending on your instructor's preferences, participants may contact the instructor using the class list. OECTA's online AQ courses are meant to be a rich learning experience. Your course instructors are among the very best instructional leaders that our province has to offer. They are professional and compassionate. Be sure to communicate with them if you need any technical support. We hope your OECTA AQ experience is a great one, and we certainly hope you return to take another course with OECTA in the future.